Now I am going to do reading passage 3 that I have taken from test 3, and the book is Cambridge IELTS 11. I'm going to show this passage. I'm going to show step by step how to find answers from the reading passage. Now let's start it. Always read the instructions before starting the passage. You should spend about 20 minutes on questions 27 to 40, which are based on reading passage 3. Now always read the title, heading of the passage, preface to how the other half thinks, adventures in mathematical reasoning. Okay, now these are in this passage we have paragraphs like A, B, C, D, and E, F, G. Okay, now before reading the passage, just always go through the questions first. What are the types of questions in the passages? So here questions 27 to 34. Reading passage has 7 sections, which I have already showed it to you, A to G. Which section contains the following information? Okay, now find these. What are the type of this question? Finding the information. Okay, finding the information. These are, always try to understand what types of questions are these. Now write the correct letter A to G in boxes 27 to 34 on your answer sheet. No, and B, you may use any letter more than once. You may use any letter. Which letters? These letters, A to G, any letter more than once. It is 100% sure they are saying you may use, suppose there are 7 paragraphs. There are 7 paragraphs in the passage 3. Now here the questions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 questions, and the passages are, and the alphabets are A to G, 7 only. Then naturally one letter we are going to use twice. Okay, now read the questions. Okay, before solving these questions, just look at the other questions also. Questions 35 to 40, complete the sentences below. Okay, choose one word is very important from the passage for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 35 to 40 on your answer sheet. Okay, these are fill in the blanks. Now let's start with the finding the information. Okay, a reference to books that assume a lack of mathematical knowledge. A reference to book. Here he is saying, the writer is saying a reference to books. Always look for the plural and singular also. It will help a lot in finding the answer. Books that assume a lack of mathematical knowledge. Lack of mathematical knowledge. Here he is assuming. The way in which this is not a typical book about mathematics. The way. Okay. This is not a typical about mathematics. He is saying, the writer is saying, he is saying the way in which this is not a typical, it is not a normal book, it is something different about mathematics. Okay, 29, a personal examples of being helped by mathematics. Personal examples, this is very easy to find. Examples of people, again examples he has given, examples of people who each had abilities that seemed incompatible. Mention of different focuses of books about mathematics. Mention of different focuses of books. Okay, a contrast between reading this book. A contrast, they are making comparison between reading this book and reading other kinds of publications. A claim that the whole of the book is accessible to everybody. Okay, this is also very important word. A claim also, a claim that the whole of the book is accessible to everybody. Now, a reference to different categories. A reference to different categories of intended readers of this book. Different categories of readers, types of readers. We will be looking for the word different here, means types. A reference, a statement given, explanation to different reference. We will definitely find about explanation to different categories of intended readers of this book. Always look for the synonym, synonyms which you find it very important for the questions. Like I have told you here, types. There they may be written types of different readers. Types of intended readers. Okay. Now look at the paragraphs. Now one a paragraph. Occasionally in question paper, look, in question paper you have to read it very quietly. Here I am explaining it, that's why I am reading it so loudly. Occasionally in some difficult musical compositions there are beautiful but easy parts are simple, a beginner could play them. So it is with mathematics as well. There are some discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even, okay, that may sum of two odd numbers. Even each of the 8 chapters in this book illustrates this phenomenon. Anyone can understand every step in the reasoning. Anyone. Okay. Let's read the full paragraph. The thinking in each chapter uses at most only elementary arithmetic and sometimes not even that. Thus, all readers will have the chance to participate in a mathematical experience, to appreciate the beauty of mathematics and to become familiar with its logical yet intuitive style of thinking. Okay, here the clue, I think anyone, all, I think I have read it somewhere. Everybody. Okay, a reference to books. No, the way in which this is not a typical book about mathematics. No, there is nothing given about it. Personal examples, there are no personal examples in paragraph A. Examples of people, no. Mention of different focuses of books about mathematics. Books of mathematics, okay, that do not there are some discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even on algebra, geometry or trigonometry. Instead they may involve at most a little arithmetic, such as the there is not mention of different focuses of books about mathematics. A contrast between reading this book and reading other kinds of books. No. A claim that the whole of the book is accessible to everybody. Yes, everybody here means anyone. Thus all readers will have the chance to participate in mathematical experience, to appreciate the beauty of mathematics and to become familiar with its logical. Okay, anyone, and here it is also given, anyone can understand every step in the reasoning. So for this we will be writing here for 33 we have got A. Okay, this is A. So we will eliminate this sentence from the list of questions. Now passage 2 B. Passage B. One of my purposes in writing this book is to give readers who haven't had the opportunity to see and enjoy real mathematics the chance to appreciate the mathematical way of thinking. I want to reveal not only some of the fascinating discoveries but more importantly the reasoning behind them. In that respect, this book differs from most books on mathematics written for the general public. What he is saying? In that respect, this book differs from most books on mathematics written for the general public. Here, I think we have got this kind of statement here. A reference to books that assume a lack of the way in which this is not a typical book about mathematics. Yes, here he is saying in that respect this book differs from most books on mathematics written for the general public. Fine. In this way we find the second answer also. Here we will be writing answer B. Again we will eliminate this. Now next lines. Some present the lives of colorful mathematicians. Okay. Others describe important applications of mathematics. Okay, important applications of mathematics. Yet others go into mathematical procedures. But assume the reader is adept. Adept here means in using algebra. Adept here means somewhat kind of experience in using algebra. Yet others go into mathematical procedures, but assume the reader is adept in using algebra. Assume the reader is already having the knowledge of using algebra. Okay. Others describe important applications of mathematics. Yes. Here somewhere I have read about it. The personal examples, no. Examples of people, no. Mention of different focuses of books about mathematics. Yes. The statement here, some present the, okay, others describe important applications of mathematics. Yes. For this, mention of, yes, again B. So in this way they have proved two alphabets will come twice in these questions. You may use any letter more than once. Okay, now we will eliminate this statement also. 31. Now we read the passage. C. I hope this book will help bridge that notorious gap that separates the two cultures. Okay, he is talking about only one book, the humanities and sciences, or should I say the right brain and the left brain. Okay, as the chapters will illustrate, mathematics is not restricted to analytical and numerical. Intuition plays a significant role. Okay, the elite gap can be narrowed or completely overcome by anyone, in part because each of us is far from using the full capacity of either side of the brain. To illustrate our human potential, I cite a structural engineer who is an artist, an electrical engineer who is an opera singer who published mathematical research, and a mathematician who publishes short stories. Yes, we got the word to illustrate. For example, personal examples of being helped by mathematics. Okay, now he is not giving any personal example. See, engineer who is an artist, electrical engineer, they have given so many examples here. So examples of people who had each abilities that seemed incompatible. Okay, for this here C will come. Okay, again we will eliminate this. 30. Okay, move on to D paragraph. D. Other scientists have written books to explain their fields to non-scientists, but other scientists have written books, okay, to explain their fields to non-scientists, but necessarily have to omit the mathematics, although it provides the foundation of their theories. The reader must remain a tantalized spectator rather than an involved participant. Okay, let's read the question again. For books, a reference of books that assume a lack of mathematical knowledge. Here what the statement is saying. Other scientists have written books, okay, I'm just trying to match the statement, to explain their fields to non-scientists. Non-scientists here means that those who do not have any knowledge about mathematics, but have necessarily had to omit the mathematics, although it provides the foundation of their theories. A reference to books a reference to books that assume a lack of mathematical knowledge. So for this we got the answer here. D paragraph will come. Again we will eliminate this. Now move on to the next lines of this paragraph. The reader must remain a tantalized spectator rather than an involved participant since the appropriate language for... Okay, no need to read this because already got the answer from this paragraph. Still I can read it. Since the appropriate language for describing the details in much of the science is mathematics, whether the subject is expanding universe, subatomic particles or chromosomes, though the broad outline of a scientific theory can be discussed intuitively, when a part of the physical universe is finally understood, its description often looks like a page in mathematics text. Okay. Now move on to E paragraph. Still, the non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. Okay. This book presents the details that illustrate the mathematical style of thinking, which involves sustained step-by-step analysis. Okay, step by step experiments and insights. You will turn these pages much more slower than when reading a novel or a newspaper. Yes, when reading a novel or a newspaper. Okay, it may help to have a pencil and paper ready to check claims and carry out experiments. So non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding reasoning. Okay, involves... Now he is saying they are reading, writer is saying they are reading a novel or a newspaper other than non-mathematical books. Okay, this we have eliminated, this we have eliminated. Personal examples, no, it is not. Okay, contrast between... Yes, a contrast between reading this book and reading other kinds of publications. Yes, again read the paragraph. I think still the non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. This book presents the details that illustrate the mathematical style of thinking, which involves sustained step-by-step analysis, experiments and insights. You will turn these pages more slowly when reading a novel or a newspaper. Okay, now he is in this way he is saying presents the detail that illustrate style mathematics, but here you will turn these pages much more slowly than... Now he is in this sentence he is comparing, you will turn these pages much more slowly than when reading a novel or a newspaper. Okay, for this we will be writing answer here. Where were we? Okay, for this 32 E, and again we will eliminate this. Now what left? 2 sentences are left. Okay, now move on to F paragraph. As I wrote, I kept in mind 2 types of reader. Oh, 2 types of reader. In the first line we got the answer. 2 types of reader: those who enjoyed mathematics until they were turned off by an unpleasant episode, usually around 5th grade, and mathematics aficionados who will find much that is new throughout the book. Okay. This book also serves readers who simply want to sharpen their analytical skills. Many careers such as law and medicine require extended, precise analysis. Each chapter offers practice in following a sustained and closely argued line of thought that mathematics can develop. This skill is shown by these 2 testimonials. Okay. Clearly we have got the answer, a reference to different categories of intended readers. Here he is saying, in the paragraph, writer is saying, I kept in mind 2 types of readers: those who enjoyed mathematics until they were turned off by an unpleasant episode, usually around 5th, and mathematics again so and so. So the answer is F. For this F, and then wrong. Now only one question is left, 29. Okay, now have you seen I have done paragraph wise? I have checked the answers paragraph wise, not the question wise here, but in true false you have to go for question wise, but in these we can always go for the paragraph turn wise, turn the paragraph wise. Okay, G. A physician wrote, the discipline of analytical thought processes in mathematics prepared me extremely well for medical school. In medicine, one is faced with a problem which must be thoroughly analyzed before a solution can be found. The process is similar to doing mathematics. Okay. Lawyer made the same point. Okay. Although I had no background in law, not even one political science course, I did well at one of the best law schools. I attribute much of my success there to having learned through the study of mathematics and in particular theorems how to analyze complicated principles. And he's saying a lawyer is making the points about theorems, how to analyze complicated principles. Lawyers who have studied mathematics can master the legal principles in a way that most others cannot. Okay, so for this, clearly this is, again we will cut, clearly this is G. In this way we have solved matching the finding the information type of questions. Now move on to the questions. Fill in the blanks. Questions are questions 35 to 40. Complete the sentences, choose one word. Okay, one word only. We have to be very careful about this selection. Okay, some areas, let's read the question 35. Some areas of both music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is music. They are talking about music in, the writer is talking about music in a first paragraph. Occasionally in some difficult musical composition there are beautiful but easy parts, so simple a beginner could play them. So it is with mathematics. So some areas of both music and mathematics are suitable for someone who is a beginner. So here the answer will come beginner. Always check the spellings double a time. Beginner. Now move on to the next question. It is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics using no more than a limited knowledge of dash. It is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics using no more than a limited knowledge of dash. Look for the word advanced mathematics. So it is with mathematics as well. There are some discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even on algebra, geometry or trigonometry. Instead, they may involve at most a little arithmetic, such as the sum of two. Question, just read the question again. It is sometimes possible to understand advanced mathematics, okay, using no more than a limited knowledge of, okay, we'll look for the word limited knowledge of. Specialized knowledge he has given, okay. There are discoveries in advanced mathematics that do not depend on specialized knowledge, not even on algebra, okay, geometry or trigonometry. Instead, they may involve at most a little arithmetic. Okay, limited here means little. It is sometimes possible to understand, okay, using no more than a limited knowledge of arithmetic. Fine. In this way we have got the two answers in fill in the blanks. Now move on to the 37. The writer intends to show that mathematics require dash thinking as well as analytical skill. Yes, we have come across this word, analytical thinking, analytical skills. Now move on to the next. Each of the chapters in this book illustrates this phenomena. Anyone can understand. Okay, we look for the analytical skill word. Okay, analytical skill, style of thinking, analytical skill. One of the purpose, who haven't read, thus all readers will have the chance to participate in a mathematical experience. Okay, To appreciate the beauty of mathematics, to become familiar with its logical yet intuitive style of thinking. Style of thinking, yes, thinking, he has given the word again, as well as analytical thinking. For this, they may use another synonym for this. I think this is, but let's read in other paragraphs also for analytical skills. Analytical skills, mathematical way of thinking, again analytical skills. I'm going very fast, I think. Analytical skill, yes. Analytical skill. Yes, I got this. Analytical skill, yes, let's read it. As the chapters will illustrate, mathematics is not restricted to analytical and numerical. Intuition plays a significant role. The elite gap can be narrowed or completely overcome by anyone, in part because each of us is far from using the full capacity. Okay, let's concentrate on analytical and numerical. The writer intends to show that mathematics requires that thinking as well as analytical thinking. Which type of thinking he is asking? The writer is asking. Analytical and numerical. Intuition plays a significant role. Thinking, yes. So answer, the writer intends to show that mathematics requires intuition. Okay, if we write the intuition word, then it will not be matching this. Intuition thinking, I'm in doubt. We will clear it. Okay, let's read it here also. Style of thinking, he is also speaking here. He is also explained here something. Thus, all the readers have the chance to participate in a mathematical experience, to appreciate the beauty of mathematics, and to become familiar with its logical. Logical here means logical also. It's analytical. Analytical skills. Logical here means to analyze the problems logically. Okay, with this logical yet intuitive style of thinking. Directly he has given the answer and he has explained it in the paragraph C. See, and the answer is here. The writer intends to show that mathematics requires intuitive thinking as well as analytical skills. See, you just put the in the paragraph C, we got the answer here. Intuition plays a significant role. Okay, but if I apply here intuition thinking, it is not perfectly matching the word here. Requires intuition thinking, it is not correct actually. Intuitive thinking requires intuitive thinking should be here. So they have given the answer here in the paragraph A. Intuitive style of thinking, it's logical. If we know the logical synonym, then we don't have to go to the paragraph C. Okay, now that's why I'm telling you again and again, always find the synonyms of important words in the questions. You will definitely get the answer correct. Now move on to 38. Some books written by Dash have had to leave out the mathematics that is central to their theories. Some books written by there have had to leave out mathematics that is central. Some books, now he is explaining about books. In these paragraphs we come across the word book. No, book. We have to find the word books. Okay, here in paragraph D we got the word books. Other scientists have written books to explain their fields to non-scientists, but necessarily had to omit the mathematics. Let's read the question again. Some books written by, okay, some books, yes, written by Dash. Here they have given the word scientist. Other scientists have written books to explain. Now move on to the next part of the question, have had to leave out mathematics that is central to their theories. Theory is also important word to find. Okay, in this, other scientists have written books to explain their fields to non-scientists have necessarily had to omit the mathematics, although it provides the foundation of their theories. Okay, direct, we got the answer here, scientists. So we will write here scientist. Now move on to 39. The writer advises non-mathematical readers to perform dash while reading the book. Okay. Now move on to the next paragraph. Non-mathematical, yes, still the non-mathematical reader, yes, this word I found here, readers to perform dash while reading the book. Okay. Let's read the paragraph. Still, the non-mathematical reader can go far in understanding mathematical reasoning. This book presents the details that illustrate the mathematical style of thinking, which involves sustained step-by-step analysis, experiments, and insights. Okay. Now, what he is saying? The writer advises non-mathematical readers to perform dash while reading the book. To perform what? To perform step-by-step analysis. This book presents the detail that illustrate the mathematical style of thinking, okay, which involves sustained step-by-step analysis, experiments, and insights. So we have to select the word here, experiments. To perform experiments while reading the books. Always recheck the spellings while writing the answers in your answer sheet. I am writing it here, but in your exam you don't have to write answers on the question paper. You have to write answers on the answer sheet only. 40. A lawyer found that studying dash helped even more than other areas of mathematics in the study of law. A lawyer, the writer is talking about a lawyer in the paragraph G. A lawyer made the same point, although, okay, let's read the question again. A lawyer found that studying dash helped even more other areas of mathematics in the study of law. Okay. A lawyer made the same point, although I had no background in law, not even political science course, I did well at, okay, I attribute all through the study of mathematics and in particular theorems how to analyze complicated principles. For this, a lawyer found that studying theorem helped even more than other areas of mathematics in the study of law. Let's match the statement here. I attribute much of my success here to having learned through the study of mathematics and in particular theorems how to analyze complicated principles. Lawyers who have studied mathematics can master the legal principles, okay, in a way that most others cannot. So in this way, theorems had helped lawyer. Okay. In this way, we have completed this paragraph passage.